Hi, love bunnies. I hope you guys are all doing so well. My name is Lina, and I want to officially welcome you to Lina Beauty Haus. I am a makeup artist as well as a makeup enthusiast. I have been doing makeup for quite some time, but unfortunately, I put my brushes down for a few years. So now I'm choosing to pick them back up by the grace of God. Bless you guys with some teachings that I've learned over the years, as well as you guys are going to join me on this journey of building my brand again, building up my clientele, as well as taking this journey on yet again. This is going to be a long journey, but I think it's going to be very worth it. I'm so happy and hoping that you guys choose to come and join me on this journey so we could build together. This is going to be a place of positivity, encouragement, and nothing but love. Is going to be a place of no judgment and nothing but transparency and a safe space. I welcome all of you who love makeup, who love learning, who is a makeup enthusiast. And I hope that you guys choose to take this journey with me and see me build things again from the ground back up. I am so looking forward to you guys joining me. And as I always say, the foundation of beauty starts from within. Makeup is just the cherry on top. I thank you guys so much. And let's go. We're going to be in for quite a ride.